The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know what I watch? Dancehall skilla! Yeah, man. Wagwan, my people. Dancehall skilla here again with some more things to talk to you about. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Alright, now, first things first, I am going to give you an update about an incident where it is said that a lion injured a man at a zoo that is located somewhere within the country that is known as Jamaica. Now, I read more than one news articles that gave me the understanding that management at the zoo responded to the incident where it is said that a lion injured a man at a zoo that is located somewhere within the country of Jamaica. Now, one of those news articles that I read said that the management of the facility said it prides itself with the love, care, and professional treatment of animals. The company identified the injured man as a contractor, and the news article also said that the actions displayed in a video by a contractor to Jamaica Zoo is tragic and do not represent the safety procedures and policies that must be adhered to at all times at Jamaica Zoo. You hear me as viewers and subscribers? See it? So you hear them things there that the news article said, that management said. Now listen to this now. Another part of the news article said that the zoo said that it is currently reviewing the video with a view of preventing any future recurrences. So me as viewers and subscribers now. And more than one videos I saw on social media and viewers and subscribers. So I don't know if management at the zoo only saw one video or if them see more than one of the videos. Them I don't know. You see me I say? Anyways, so the same news article said that management at the zoo said it is an unfortunate event that should never have happened. And we, the family of Jamaica Zoo, are doing everything to assist the gentleman in moving forward. We do hope you continue to support Jamaica Zoo. We have always been and will continue to be a safe place for you and your family to visit. Now, viewers and subscribers, I only hope that the man don't get fired or his contract don't get terminated, viewers and subscribers. I only hope so. Because in my point of view, the injury that he got is somewhat a big deal enough in my point of view. And I think that for him to lose his job or contract or whatsoever would be just totally hard on him right now. You see me? Because he had been injured. You understand me? Now, in my point of view, I know that the things that he had done at the time when the incident happened is considered to many people as not being professional. You understand? But at the same time, I want to upset him learn from that experience, viewers and subscribers. So me I say, see it, so you know, me don't go upset that losing contract and work or whatsoever be the case. So me I say. Anyways, I won't go upset that the things that I told you are somewhat informative. Alright, I'm going to move on to another topic. Now, I am going to present to you a piece of an entire video that I've recorded within the country that is known as Jamaica. I don't have any confirmed information as to when the video will be recorded. The entire video shows some things that happened when a man was being arrested by police officers from within the country that is known as Jamaica. Now, some comments on social media gave me the understanding that some persons found the situation shown in the entire video to be police brutality. And some comments on social media gave me the understanding that some persons have other things to say about the situation shown in the entire video. A part of the video shows when a police officer hit the man with a baton repeatedly. In the video, you can hear quite a number of persons yelling and shouting. And in my point of view, the situation was somewhat confusing. I did not get any confirmed information as to why the man was being arrested or detained by police officers from within the country that is known as Jamaica. And even though I'm not going to present the entire video to you, my viewers and subscribers, you can tell me what you think about the situation based on some things that you're about to see and hear in this piece of video. And before I present the piece of video to you, my viewers and subscribers, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this piece of video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the piece of video. Look, listen, and observe. Listen, go on, cough down the fire, man. Just go on, man. I listen, you might get to understand on this. Somebody accuse him. Somebody accuse him. Somebody accuse Me hear somebody in the video say somebody accuse him. Might not be word for word, but it come like a that me hear, my people. Yes, what me I say? See? Yeah, man. If you're listening to some things that had been said in the video, you might get an understanding, even if what persons say might not be accurate. Can also not be true. You understand, my people? But it's good to listen and observe and keep a open mind at the same time, my people. Yeah, you know, boy, I tell you, it's rough, you know, it's rough, especially if you're being arrested for something that you might not have done. See, but I don't have any confirmed information as to why police officers was arresting or detaining that man. But you see, because the entire video has been talked about on social media, that's why I'm presenting that piece of the video to you, so that you can at least have an understanding about the situation here and hear some things that have been said in the video. All right. Anyways, next topic. Now, I read a news article that gave me the understanding that 5 persons had been hospitalized after a driver lost control of his motor vehicle and crashed into a light pole along Constant Spring Road that is located within the parish of St. Andrew, that's within the country that is known as Jamaica. It is said that the incident happened on the 22nd of May, the year 2022, and it is said that the incident happened sometime in the morning near a gas station close to the intersection with Dunrabin Avenue. Another news article that I looked at said that establishments near the area where the accident happened have been left without electricity as a result of the incident, viewers and subscribers. You understand? But over time, whatever damage had been done will be repaired by necessary personnel or persons who supposed to fix electricity or so forth. That's what I say. Now, the news article said that an eyewitness said that the driver had to be cut from the wreckage by firefighters, and the 3 of the occupants of the motor vehicle were unconscious, and that they were taken to a hospital and I don't have any confirmed information about their conditions, viewers and subscribers. You understand? However, you can check the comment section of this video, as I will leave a comment or comments to let you know what I know if possible. Alright? And I also saw a video on social media that shows some things that happened after the motor vehicle crashed into the light pole, viewers and subscribers. You understand? Anyways, I think here's where I'm going to leave it now. Big up and respect to each and every one. Let me know what you think about the things that I said in this video. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up on yourself, is it?
Hey, my youth, you know what you watch?